To show you guys what Chris did for me so we don't have to carry those 5-gallon buckets of water upstairs anymore. He ran a pipe off of the bottom down there, off the water, up the wall here for me. Gave me a little spigot here on the porch. Up top, got the hose, and now we can just pull the hose over here and fill up our washing machine. So no more carrying buckets up and down the stairs. That's so nice. It's like, yeah, moving up in the world. Chris brought some clothes down to hang up downstairs. Now we don't have to use the buckets to fill up the washing machine. We can use the buckets as laundry baskets to carry the laundry. So it's Tuesday, and we did a bunch of yard work yesterday. Pretty much all morning. Really kind of wore ourselves out. In the middle of the day, it started raining a little bit, so we got a little break, and then did a little more in the evening. We really cleared it out a lot. So all along the fence line there, you can see we pulled a bunch of stuff out. We cut a bunch of limbs out. Right over here, we cut a bunch of limbs out so we could get a breeze coming through. Look at this giant pile of stuff that we cut out. It's like bigger than the car. It's a lot of stuff. And then, so my plans today were that I was going to do like some Thompson water seal on the steps coming up to the porch. But it pretty much rained all night last night. So I was like, well, we'll just have to let it dry. Maybe in the afternoon I'll work on it. But here it is. It's like 7:30 a.m. and it's been raining all morning pretty much. I thought it there for a little while it was gonna let up, but it didn't. So here's our porch, our steps coming up. That's not gonna happen today. I don't think it'll dry out enough to even do it this evening, but it's okay. It's maybe God's way of saying that we need to take some rest. So have a rainy day and sit on the porch. It's too bad. I did some laundry this morning when I thought it was going to clear up a little bit. And yeah, I don't think those towels are gonna dry, but it's okay. It's not windy or anything, so the rain's not blowing up under the porch and getting them more wet, so that's good. The air is just gonna be completely drenched. It's gonna be a lot of humidity, so they just might not dry today. And that's too bad because I needed to do a lot of laundry. It's alright though. I already drank all my coffee. It's one of those kinds of mornings. I might make another pot because it's just one of those rainy, sit on the porch kind of days and drink some coffee. I decided to go run some errands today. Let it dry out a bit. Maybe come back and do a little yard work. Let's see how much the water's running in the ditch with all the rain. It's running pretty good. all the way down the road. And out this ditch. Gotta take my iced tea with me everywhere I go. So I am going to, first I'm going to go to the water board and pay our water and trash bill. And then I'm gonna go over and pay our internet bill. And the way I do them is, for the internet, I pay a whole year's worth because you get a discount if you pay 12 months. So every August, September, I go pay, and it's good through the end of September. So I'm going to take care of that. And then at the water board, I can only pay with Belize cash. So I've been saving up change. Like whenever I go to a store, I always pay with the US 20 and get back Belize cash, and then I use that to pay my water bill. And water, it's $23 Belize a month, and that's water and trash service from the village. And unless you use a lot of water, if you use a lot of water, your water bill will go up. But if you just use a moderate amount, it just stays $23 a month, which is not bad. So for them, I'll probably just go pay for like 4 months because we're planning on being back in 4 months. And then for our electricity, they take payment by credit card online. So I just do that online, and I can do it from the US and from Belize or whatever. So that one's real easy. And I'm going to check and see, but last time I think they had signs up that they take credit cards at the internet company. It's called Southern Cable Network. But we'll see this time. I hope they'll let me use a credit card. And let's see, what else are we... Oh, I have to run to the pharmacy also and get Chris some Rolaids. He's been not eating so healthy since we've been here, and he's been having a lot of heartburn. So I saw a stamp the other day, like in a gift shop, with the Queen on it from Belize, and I'm such a total nerd. I had to come to the post office to see if I could get one. So the post office in Independence is on the road on the way to Big Creek, and this is what it looks like in the front. It also says Elections and Boundaries Department, and then right here where this red, white, and blue is, I think that's the window into the post office. It kind of looks like a barber shop painting. It wasn't like that when we came before, but when you walk in, this is what it looks like. Okay, they did not have any of the Queen stamps there, but I got a whole bunch of other stamps that are pretty neat. Now I gotta show you guys something else. So they've been doing these ropes across the roads for speed bumps, but I don't think they need them. I think there's enough potholes to keep you slowed down that you really just don't go fast anyways. But it's like there's been a couple of places here in Independence with ropes for speed bumps, but now they're like all over the place, and I'm like, oh, come on. You don't really need to add to it here. Oh. Just on my way back home after paying all the bills, and look who's here. It's Koop Sheet Metal. Our delivery came, so maybe we'll get some work done today. Good morning. How are you today? Good, good. I'm excited. We get to finish our bathroom now. Thank you, guys. Chris had to go to M&M to get some tools to cut the zinc, and he got us some lunch while he was gone. Salute! So the laundry is definitely not going to dry today. I scooted it all in on the line to try to keep it away from the edges so it didn't get rained on too much, but man, it's coming down hard now.
Oh, in the grill.
Once it's on the grill, man.